Hi, I'm Alexandra Bacula, and this video will give you a short overview of the late-breaking report, Legible Light Communications for Factory Robots by myself, Jason Mercer, and Heather Knight. Often it is difficult to tell what a factory robot is doing in certain situations. This research took place at ClearPath Robotics, which makes the automobile factory robots. The goal of this work was to redesign the robot's light communication system to make a robot easier for an onlooker to understand. Social robotics has learned a great deal about effective robot nonverbal communications with people. Industry workers spend a lot of time with the robots and may have good intuition on what would improve the robots. Combining these two insights allowed us to create light patterns that were easily mapped to the current state of the robot. The first custom set is sweeping lights, which moves around the robot and converges to a particular point of interest. Employees suggested that this would act as a legible directional indicator, like the robot is being pulled towards its goal or chasing an object of attention. The second custom light set was car-like lights, which had off-white headlights in the front and dimmer red lights in the back. Employees suggested that the car analogy would make sense to people for a moving rectangular vehicle. The third light set was heartbeat lights, which used pulsing lights around the full circle of the robot and was inspired by previous work in social robotics. All three custom light sets outperformed the current lights in conveying when the robot was blocked, at its goal, and idle. Car analogies in factory robot lights were useful for situations like highway driving, but when robots were in situations that involved more nuanced communication, the car analogy broke down and alternative light patterns were stronger. Versions of these light sets have been integrated into the auto software that is deployed in many factories and warehouses across North America. Future work will continue to gain insight on robot communication, leveraging the expertise of both social roboticists and industry workers. Thank you for watching. If you'd like more detail, you can see our late-breaking report, Legible Light Communications for Factory Robots.